Oh, hey guys, welcome back to this week on Handyman Let's Go. And if you are a new beginner on this channel or have not subscribed, make sure that you have subscribed, and so that you'll be, and also click the bell notification so you'll be notified whenever I put another video on. Today I'm just going to explain to you how I've made my own pallet jack remover to remove the pallets out of it, to take it apart, and hope you guys enjoy it. Stay tuned. Hey guys, today I want to show you. I'm just going to demonstrate. I'm not going to give you all the detail on how I welded it and all these things. So I'm just going to give you guys the details on how I made my own pallet lifter remover thing, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, basically I've got a long bar that's got for my leverage, and then I have got flat iron that I've used. I've got one at the bottom and one at the top as well, just to give it more strength and everything. As you can see, there's a gap, so it leaves two. I've tried with this square, but as you can see, it's not really looking good. It bends and everything. So if you do have something like that, make sure that it's proper strength or whatever, and not something old. Other than that, I've got my arms coming out, and I've also just put two small arms in just to give it more strength for the pressure that it takes. So and it works well. So even though my welding does not look terrific, but somewhat. Alright, let's demonstrate how it works. As you can see, it doesn't break much of your wood, and that's what you basically want. It's not to break your wood. If you've missed this one, click on it. If you missed this one, try clicking on it, click on the logo, become part of this family, and enjoy this journey with us.